So guys, here is a more programming came about the Python, and in today's Python video, I am telling about we are learning about what are dictionary methods and its functions in Python. So yeah, we are learning about this video start to end, and please like this video, share friend, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to all the notification bell also never miss over any future related videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, here you can see it one more programming game of the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling you about the what are dictionary method and functions in Python. So let's start and let's talk about what are dictionary methods and its functions in Python. So let's talk about it. So let's start. Here's the title for each method or functions along with explanations. Create a dictionary. First, create a dictionary. If you want to create a dictionary, you will be created using the dict function. In this example, we are creating a dictionary. Okay. Now let me copy this example. Let me come on my Visual Studio Code. Let me create on the one new window and let me create a one file, and I'm giving my file name. It should be index.py, and then I'm making this file on my documents, and then create file. Yes. Now my file has been made it very successfully. Yes. But here we will remove this now. First of all, here we create a dictionary, and my dictionary, first of all, I give the dictionary name like my underscore dict, and then I write my assignment operator. In the assignment operator, I write like dict. In it, I write like name equals to alias, and then I give the age, then I give the city, and then here I give the print my dict. Then here I print my dictionary, and then output will become like name, alias, age, 25, city, New York. Let me show you, save and run. Save and run. So you can see it. Name alias, age 25, city New York, like that. Or if you want to change the name, age or city, will be also be changed. Or you add, if you want to add items like country, so you will be also be added like USA. Save it and run it. So it give you here, you can see it country USA. So like that you can also give you the country. Number 2, how to clear a dictionary. You will be also be clear dictionary. To clear the dictionary, you use the clear method to clear the dictionary. So how? Only want to do it. You only come here, and first of all you write here your dictionary name, like my dictionary name is my dict, and then dot remove. Okay. Sorry, the my dictionary, then dot clear. Then perfect. Now only want to do this, or then rounded brackets, and then the output will become like this. The output will become like this. Let me see. This type of output will become. Here you can see it like that. Why this type of output will become? Because I say hey, remove my all dictionary items. So like that you can remove it. Number 3. Now I have told you about the number 2. Now number 3. Copy the dictionary using the copy method. You create a copy of a dictionary. Okay, how? So in this example we are creating a copy of a dictionary. To do this, you only want to do it only you first of all create the dictionary. Okay, I create a dictionary. Here we are create a copy of the dictionary in this code. Okay, here what we can do, here we create a copy of dictionary. First of all I create my dictionary, and my dictionary name is original. And in the that dictionary, I write like first of all assignment operator, then curly brackets, and in the curly brackets I write like x then 10 and y should be 20. Then I write here copied underscore dict, and then I write like assignment operator, then I write like my original dictionary name, and then I write like dot copy method. Okay, then I say print copy underscore dict. So then the output will become like x10 y20. Let me show you. Save, run. So you can say x10 y20 like that. Like that you can copy your dictionary. Number 4, create a dictionary from keys. Like from in the example we have created a dictionary with default values. Okay, now let me copy. Output will become like A0, B0, C0. In the example we created a dictionary with default values. Let me show you. First of all I create a one dictionary by the name of keys, and the square brackets are like A, B and C. Then I create a new dictionary, okay, and the name is new underscore dict. Then I like dict dot from keys. and the rounded brackets are like key comma 0, then I like print new dict, the output will become like 8 0, B 0 and C 0. Why? Because I write here 0. If I write 5, so now everywhere it give me A5, B5 and C5. Save it and so you can see it. Or if you want if you write 2, so it give you A2, B2, C2, like that. Here you can see it. Number 5, get a value by get. By a key. Okay, this is one example. In this example, we get a value of a key. The output will become not found. Okay, not found. The output will come not found. Let me show you. Here you can see it. Bob not found. Okay, Bob output. Here you can see it. First of all, I created one dictionary by the name of name Bob age 30. Then I like print and my underscore dict dot get. Then I write his name. So it has been founded the name Bob. Okay, but output come Bob when you run it. But if I say get a address, should give you not found. Why? Because in the dictionary I do not write here the address. If I write here address, if I include the address bar, so let me show you what will happen. Like that, like address, like I am giving like USA, United, USA, New York. Okay, like that. Okay, it is giving me the error. Let me show which type of error. Okay, you write it in the double commas. Okay, now it not give you the error. Now if I say find the address, save it and then run it, should give me Bob and USA New York. Here you can see it. Like that, find the address. Like that you can do it. Number 6, view key value pairs items. In this example, we get a dictionary as a items as a key value pairs. In this example, let me copy it and let me paste it. In this example, we get a dictionary items as a key value pairs, and then in this example, we give the output will become dict items like A, 1 and then B, 2. Save it and run it. Should give me dict items A, 1 and B, 2, like that. Now number 7, view keys. In the example, we get all keys from a dictionary. Okay, in this example, let me show you. Here you can see name alias age 25. Output will become dict keys name and then age. In this example, we get all keys from dictionary. Save and run. So here you can see. Let me show you. Dict keys name, age. Number 8, view values using values. You get all values from a dictionary. Okay, using this example. Let me copy it and let me paste it. The output will become like dict values should be alias, and then age will become 25. Why? Here you can see alias and 25 is coming because I only say in the third line of code, I say give me all in my dictionary, give me all my values. Okay, that's why it is going to give me all values like alias and 25. Number 9, remove an item by a key pop. In this example, we are remove the item with a specified key. Here you can see it. So to remove the item, you will be use the pop method to remove the items. Here we are removing the method using the pop method, and we write like pop. Then I write like here in the double commas B. Then save it and run it. So it give me save it and run it A1 C3, but it not give me the B2. Why? Because using the pop method I has remove it. That's why. Number 10, remove the last inserted item, pop item. In the example, we are remove and return the last inserted key value pair. Copy it and paste it. The output will become C3, and then fourth output will become A1 B2. Here you can see. Let me save it in it. So you can see why this type of output will be coming, because I write like dot pop item. That's why I write like in the my dictionary I write like dot pop item, and then I write a print last item. In the second I write like print my dict. So like that. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it. So in today's video of Python, I told you about the dictionary method and its functions. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy and dictionary method and functions in Python, so I told you about it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notifications while also never miss any future latest videos about the Python. So now I'm using next lesson, next video, I'm making that type of videos. And please do not forget to access my Python playlist and bookmark it also, because I'm uploading a video daily, 2 videos daily in this channel. So please do not forget to access the playlist of Python. And now I'm using Excel, so next video I'm using Glass. So for today, goodbye.